Is your husband too lazy to do simple handyman tasks around the house? Or are you scared of drilling into the drywall and either missing the stud or even worse, going straight into live wiring? Any ideas on what we've got here? Keep watching. Back to today's product review. It's the 3M Claw 5 Drywall Picture Hangers. All right, I get it. You might think it's a bit hard to get excited about such a simple gadget. But then again, you've probably never had to replace a section of your drywall after you've destroyed it trying to hang a picture. There are 5 to a pack, and each unit comes with a pair of grappling hook-looking claws, as well as a hook at the front for hanging. These bad boys are made from hardened steel and are nothing like the other products on the market that use rubbish adhesives that fall after a few months or flimsy plastic that cracks over time. These quiet achievers won the Best of What's New award in Popular Science magazine. So, what do we like about the 3M Claw 5 drywall picture hangers? Well, for starters, no tools are required. Simply figure out where you want the hook to go, line it up so it's straight, and use your thumbs to push it into the wall. It's that simple. The big plus is that you can hang a mirror, a picture, ornament, whatever, anywhere you want. You aren't restricted to where the studs are behind the drywall. Believe it or not, these bad boys can hold up to 25 pounds. When you're done, a simple once-over with some filler covers up the 2 small indents, so you don't end up with a gaping hole in your wall to fix. A handy addition to the kit is a spot marker, which marks where the mirror, painting, or whatever you're hanging will go, and lets you know the optimum place to set your 3M Claw 5s into the wall. What's the downside? Don't get us wrong, these 3M Claw 5 drywall picture hangers are easy to use and absolutely work, but they'll never do as good a job as fixing straight into the stud with a nail. So what's the verdict? These things are super handy, and the trade-off in strength in lieu of using a proper stud-mounted fixing is more than made up with how simple they are to use. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. They work as advertised. Not much more we can say, really. And the 3M Claw 5 drywall picture hangers could be yours. We'll be giving them away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag CLAW. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary and the rest of the Review to You crew, see you guys next time.